Hi, this is Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today I am going to announce the winner of my Youtubeversary giveaway. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me today. If you are a fan of things yarn, crochet, all that jazz, then go ahead and go down below, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. So I announced a giveaway about a week ago for my Youtubeversary, and because I've been making videos and putting them up for 1 year now, and I wanted to have a little giveaway. So it's going to include at least 12 skeins of yarn, and they're surprise yarn, so can't wait for you to get it. But let's go ahead and check out and see who won. Enter. There we go. So, close this. We are going to filter duplicate users. And, alright, so we're going to go ahead and get the comments for that. And so there's 308 unique comments. Wow! What? You guys are amazing. And let's go ahead and hit start to see who won. Lost Angel Designs by Valerie Gibson. And her comment says, congratulations on reaching 1 year on YouTube. Here's to many more. I would like to see tutorials for summer wearables. And you know what, you guys, everybody who commented, which congratulations, Valerie. So excited for you. Make sure that you email me at hookedtotheleft@gmail.com and let me know how to get this package to you. But congratulations. And I do want to say thank you to everybody who commented and gave me input on what they would like to see on my channel. Now, I'm not sure that I can match everything because there was almost a different request per comment, but there were some common writing themes, and honestly, I see that you guys really want to see some more tutorials, so I'm going to work on that in earnest. They take a little bit longer to make. Regardless, I will be working on that in earnest as soon as I can. So thank you so much. I'm reading all of your input. I value it highly, so thank you. And that is it. Keep an eye out. I do have a couple more giveaways coming up this month, so make sure you come back and visit. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, plus the bell, so you're reminded each time I come out with a new video, so you don't miss the next giveaway or the next video period. Anyway, you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.